Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRacks. In this video, we are going to learn what is hook and what are the different hooks in reactjs. Basically, hooks are the functions that let you use state and lifecycle methods in functional component. Hooks are added to React in version 16.8. They makes component better and helps in writing clear, concise and maintainable code. Hooks always call on the top level and they cannot be called from any other regular JavaScript function. They can only be called from React function. Also, one hook can call another hook. As shown in the screen, there are different hooks available in the React.js that replaces lifecycle methods in class components, which was present in the class component before the React version 16.8. It includes different hooks like useState, useEffect, useReducer, useRef, useContext, useMemo, useCallback, and one can also customize their hooks as per the requirement. In upcoming videos, we will implement each hook with an example and try to understand it deeply. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel TechRacks. Thank you.